Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi for calling. Wi-Fi calling allows your smartphone to make and receive phone calls using a wireless internet connection instead of your cellular network. This means you can stay connected even when your cellular signal is weak or unavailable, like in basements or remote areas. It seamlessly integrates with your existing phone number and contacts, so the experience feels just like a regular call. It's a fantastic way to ensure reliable communication. Enabling Wi-Fi calling is quite straightforward on most modern smartphones. First, check that your mobile carrier and device support this feature. Then, simply go into your phone's settings, typically found under Cellular or Connections. Look for the Wi-Fi calling option and switch it on. You may be prompted to confirm your emergency address for safety reasons, which is a quick and important step. Once enabled, your phone will automatically prioritize Wi-Fi for calls when available. The benefits of using Wi-Fi calling are numerous. You can experience significantly improved call quality, particularly in places where your cellular signal struggles, such as inside large buildings or in rural areas. It's also incredibly useful when traveling internationally, as it can help you avoid expensive roaming charges by using local Wi-Fi networks. Plus, for some plans, it can even help conserve your cellular minutes. It truly expands your connectivity options. While Wi-Fi calling is fantastic, there are a few important points to remember. A strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for clear calls. A weak signal can lead to dropped calls or poor audio. Also, be aware that emergency services, like 911, might not automatically receive your precise location when calling over Wi-Fi, so always provide your address. Data usage is very low, usually less than 1 megabyte per minute. Keep your phone's software updated for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.